Hi guys, anyone just checking this out? This is a Fiat Panda with a noise coming from the steering. I checked a few of the videos on YouTube with similar noises, and a few people were unsure what it is, so I just wanted to make a quick short video. I'll turn the wheel here so everyone can hear the noise. It's like a doink 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 noise. It's the best way I can describe it. This is a shock top mount, so I'll open up the car here. I'll put the window down so we can see what's actually going on. So it's this unit here. So that's it. As the steering's turn on, you can see it move with the noise. So that's what it is. That's what needs to be replaced. It's a shock top mount. So that's it. Alright, cheers, bye bye.